Ever dreamt of turning your YouTube channel into a gold mine? The secret might just lie in choosing the right niche. In the realm of YouTube, if there's one niche that stands out for its potential to generate significant earnings, it's finance. With this category, faceless finance channel creators have the opportunity to earn between $3 to $10 per thousand views, marking it as one of the most lucrative areas on the platform. Are you looking to make substantial income through YouTube? You might consider diving into the finance niche. But remember, it's not just about the potential for earning. This niche demands dedication and the ability to deliver valuable content. So, if you're passionate about finance and eager to share your knowledge, this could be your path to success on YouTube. Can anyone create a finance-related YouTube channel? Not exactly. I'll explain who should and shouldn't start a finance channel. But first, let's discuss some well-known finance channels you might have watched on YouTube, such as Motley Fool, Ricky Gutierrez, Grow, Let's Talk Money, with Joseph Hogue, CFA, and Warrior Trading. These channels share the best ideas for faceless YouTube channels. These names have significantly impacted the finance sector on YouTube, attracting a large viewership. You can earn substantial amounts in dollars. So, it shouldn't be surprising to see the monthly earnings of these creators. Their popularity translates into high viewership and consequently significant income. However, even channels with fewer views can make a good income in this niche due to the high revenue per mille (RPM). You might wonder how you, as a new creator, can establish your presence in this field, given that many prominent individuals have already made significant names for themselves. You may question whether there's room for more creators and if this niche is already saturated. However, it's important to note that particularly in subcontinent countries, financial awareness remains low. Today, over 90% of people primarily invest their money in fixed deposits, gold, or property. Discussions about the stock market, mutual funds, or systematic investment plans, SIPs, are less common. It might surprise you to learn the percentage of people in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and India who invest in the stock market or mutual funds. Less than 5% of people in these countries invest in the stock market, while the global average is around 30 to 35%. This indicates significant untapped potential in the market. As more individuals become interested in investing, opportunities for new creators will emerge, negating the notion of saturation. New demand from newcomers ensures space for new voices. Moreover, there's an additional factor that can distinguish you from other creators, enhancing your unique presence in the market. Most of the popular finance channels are in languages like English, French, German, Urdu, or Hindi. However, in diverse Asian countries like India, there are very few or no channels in regional languages within this category. This presents a unique opportunity for new creators. Creating a finance channel in your regional language can lead to rapid growth, whether it's Bengali, Turkish, Marathi, Kannada, Gujarati, Arabic, or Urdu. This approach can tap into a niche audience eager for content in their native language. Now, an important question arises: who can create a personal channel and successfully work on it? Having a financial background is not a prerequisite for creating a channel in this category. Anyone can start and operate a channel focused on finance, provided they have a genuine interest in the subject. This personal interest is the key requirement for success in this niche. If you're interested in the financial world and regularly follow news updates and videos in this category, you're well positioned to start your own channel, regardless of your background, be it engineering, science, or commerce. The key lies in your interest. Next, we'll explore how to get started, find content for your channel, and generate ideas for your videos. I'll guide you through each step, so be sure to watch the entire video. Let's pause here, and first, we'll discuss selecting a micro niche. Finance is a vast field, so as a new creator, it's crucial to understand the various micro niches within finance and the subcategories within those micro niches. To identify the different micro niches and subcategories within finance, you can use Google Gemini, previously known as Google Bard. It's a highly advanced tool equipped with the latest data. By interacting with Google Gemini, you can request information on all finance-related categories and subcategories, providing you with comprehensive insights to guide your content creation. Using Google Gemini, you'll obtain detailed information about the finance sector, including various categories and subcategories. Examples include personal finance, insurance, banking, investing, and retirement. Gemini provides a comprehensive overview of these main categories and their respective subcategories. To begin, you should select one of these categories that align with your interest. After choosing your category, the next step is to find video ideas related to it. To generate ideas for your videos, you'll need to explore topics within your selected category that interest you and your potential audience. To find video ideas, you have two options: trending topics and searchable or evergreen topics that consistently interest people. For trending topics, these are subjects that can attract a lot of views over a short period, such as 8, 10, or 15 days, but their popularity typically wanes afterward. An example of a trending topic could be the union budget announcement of a country. These topics can give your channel a temporary boost in viewership. New government investment schemes or stock analyses are examples of trending topics within the finance category. For searchable or evergreen content that consistently attracts views, a straightforward strategy is to review the most popular videos from established finance channels. These topics maintain interest over time, ensuring a steady stream of viewership for your content. To identify evergreen topics that continue to attract views, consider subjects like stock market for beginners. What is SIP, systematic investment plan? What are mutual funds, or what are indexes? These straightforward topics are consistently searched for by audiences interested in finance. By focusing on such areas, you can select both a category and a topic for your content, setting a solid foundation for your channel's growth. Creating a script for your video can be done in two ways. If you're an expert, you might choose to write the entire script yourself. However, in today's AI-driven era, leveraging technology can save time and energy. For script ideas, you can again turn to Gemini. For instance, if you decide on the insurance category for your first video, you could ask Gemini to suggest 5 video ideas focused on the life insurance niche, tailored for a new YouTube channel. Gemini will then provide 5 video ideas to help kickstart your content creation process. Once you've selected an idea, such as life insurance for specific life stages, you can proceed by asking Gemini to generate a complete YouTube video script on this topic. After receiving your script, the next step involves sourcing stock footage to visually complement your content. Since you might not be familiar with specific footage names or ideas for your search, consider using keywords related to your video's theme. For example, for a video on life insurance for specific life stages, you could search for stock footage using keywords like family, life stages, insurance documents, or financial planning. These terms will help you find relevant visuals to enhance the engagement and understanding of your video content. Now, once again, ask Gemini to thanks, grateful to you. For the stock footage suggestions, I'll provide recommendations based on the content of each scene you describe. Please include details of the scenes or the themes topics covered in your video for accurate suggestions. Copy the script into a Word or Google document. This is necessary for uploading it to YouTube. You have the flexibility to edit the script as needed. Additionally, you can translate it into your local language. This method is one of the ways to prepare the script. Now let's move on to the second option. To proceed, install the YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude extension for Google Chrome or Edge. This extension is free of charge. Navigate to YouTube and enter your specific topic in the search bar, for example, Millennials Guide to Life Insurance, then press Enter. Use the filter option, select Playlist, and click on it. You will find numerous playlists that extensively cover your topic. Select one playlist and click on it. Play a video from the playlist. Upon playing a video, you will see the option for a transcript and summary on the sidebar. Click on the View AI Summary or this ChatGPT icon. This action generates a complete script of the video in the form of a ChatGPT summary. Thus, you can summarize any video using GPT by following these steps. In less than 5 minutes, you can copy the generated summary into a Word document. Feel free to add your own insights to craft the final script. If you require the full script rather than a summary, click on the drop-down option to access the exact script of the video. However, be cautious not to use this script verbatim to avoid copyright infringement. Instead, use the script as a foundation for your work. Please visit Google Gemini and request a simplification of this script. Use straightforward language and maintain a professional tone to enhance the voiceover for a YouTube video. Also, give me a hook at the start of the YouTube video. Also, remove time spam in articles. I have just told you to rewrite it in English. If you want, you can rewrite it in Arabic, French, or any other language, and translate into Google Translator. Google's tasks are complete. Next, let's discuss voiceovers. Even if you're running a Faceless fan channel, consider using your own voice for voiceovers. This approach significantly contributes to building your brand identity, which can greatly enhance your chances of securing sponsorships in the future, a valuable asset in this field. If you prefer not to use your own voice, you can opt for AI-generated voices from services like 11 Labs or Play.ht. The choice is yours. This concludes my script, which I've translated into English and adjusted slightly to suit my preferences. If you're particularly interested in this topic, you might want to make further modifications on your own. I've used Play.ht for the voiceover demonstration. Now, with the script and voiceover ready, our preparation is complete. The next step is gathering content to produce our video, leading us to the final phase of the process: how to make a faceless YouTube channel videos with AI. The next step involves using Canva.com. First, select the appropriate video size on Canva. For longer videos, choose the standard video size. Then, you'll see a blank canvas as shown here. We will incorporate relevant stock videos into this canvas. The entire video will be created using only stock footage available on Canva, tailored to our script's requirements. We'll create the video directly on Canva, scene by scene, following our script. By searching for elements, we can add specific content. For instance, the first scene focuses on millennials and the importance of life insurance, not just for older generations. We'll find relevant videos by searching for terms like "millennials, listen up" in the Elements sidebar. Then select the Videos tab to choose 2 or 3 pertinent clips. To use a video as the scene's backdrop, right-click on your chosen video and select Set Video as Background. You have the option to adjust the duration of these scenes either now or later once the voiceover is added. This flexibility allows you to synchronize the video length with the voiceover timing. To proceed with adding the next scene, simply click on the plus button. For a scene focusing on life insurance, search again in the Elements section and add 1 or 2 relevant videos that best illustrate this concept. Ensure you gather all the relevant videos needed for your project directly from Canva. If you find videos that match your script, you can seamlessly create a complete video by adding these clips. However, be aware that Canva offers numerous pro elements, requiring a Canva Pro subscription for access. If you don't have Canva Pro, consider sourcing free stock footage from Pexels or Pixabay. For those seeking paid options, Shutterstock, iStock, Adobe Stock, or Storyblocks are excellent sources for high-quality footage. Once you've collected your footage, you have the flexibility to edit and adjust it in CapCut or any other video editing software of your choice. After adding videos for all scenes, navigate to the Uploads tab on the side to locate your voiceover file. Move the cursor to the start of the timeline to add the voiceover. With the voiceover in place, you can now fine-tune the duration of each scene to match the audio. To make your video more engaging, consider adding text overlays. To do this, click on Elements in the sidebar, then select a text box. Click on Add Heading to insert your text where you can highlight key points or messages. You're free to customize the text size and color to match your video's style. For an added touch, incorporate animation into your text to capture the viewer's attention even more effectively. Additionally, you have the option to add transitions between scenes for a smoother flow. Select the transition style of your choice and apply it between the pages to enhance the video's visual appeal. To finalize your video, consider adding background music. If you have already downloaded music from the YouTube library, simply upload it to Canva and drag it onto the music audio timeline. With all these elements in place, your video is now complete and ready for download. I will also demonstrate the entire 2-minute video, allowing you to see the finished product. This will give you a clear understanding of how straightforward it is to create engaging content using these tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them in the comments section. You're also welcome to leave comments or direct message me on Instagram. Now, let's play the video.
Life insurance ain't just for your grandparents anymore. everyone, and today we're tackling a topic most millennials, including myself, might think is boring: life insurance. But hear me out. Did you know only 38 of millennials have it? That's crazy, considering our unique challenges: student loans, starting families, unpredictable careers. Life insurance can be a game changer in navigating those. So why do millennials even need it? Avocado toast won't pay the bills forever. Life insurance helps loved ones, debts, student loans, credit cards, final expenses, funerals, medical bills, income replacement if you're the main breadwinner. Accidents and illnesses happen, even when you're young. Don't leave your loved ones hanging. Peace of mind is priceless. But wait, I have millennial baggage. Here's what you might be thinking. Student loans, life insurance can pay them off even if you're gone. Protect your partner and kids with a safety net. Career uncertainty, freelancing. No problem, flexible options exist. Cost. Don't worry, affordable term life insurance is designed for us. Life insurance isn't just for old folks anymore. It's an investment in your future and your loved ones. The Parsons want to see real millennials rocking life insurance. Check out Sarah, David, and Maria share their stories. Sarah, an entrepreneur with peace of mind for her business. The new dad protecting his growing family's future. The freelancer feeling secure with affordable options. Ready to take action. I'm offering a free consultation with a financial advisor who specializes in young adults like us. They can answer your questions, assess your needs, and find an affordable plan that fits your budget. Click the link in the description or use code MillennialFuture to book your free consultation. Don't wait, secure your future today.
If you're interested in Domo AI, how to use Domo AI video generator tutorial, click on the left. If you want to watch how to create a faceless animated Buddha stories channel using free AI tools, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.